A brand new 2024 Nissan Pathfinder, it should have been a reliable SUV, but it quickly became an ongoing headache for its owner. At just over 2,000 miles, the dashboard started failing. The RPM needle would vibrate, get stuck, and suddenly drop while driving. The vehicle spent 91 consecutive days out of service. Even after a major component replacement, the car returned for more electrical failures. The parking brake indicator, on-screen displays, and even the tire pressure monitoring system stopped working. The dealership struggled to configure the electronics, but we stepped in. We secured a full manufacturer repurchase for our client, and the manufacturer covered all our attorney's fees, so it cost our client nothing. If your vehicle is spending weeks at the dealer for recurring electrical defects, you might have a lemon. Reach out to us to learn your rights.